Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So I'm going to show you a new styling product today from Uppercut, which is an Australian hair care brand. It's called the Uppercut Deluxe Clay. So it is a strong hold, low shine product. It's got a pretty matte finish to it. It's a combination of wax and water, so it's a wax water based product. What that means is that it rinses out of the hair really nicely, but it's got good strong hold that doesn't set hard. So it's pretty, that's what it looks like. It's pretty firm to the touch, so you're going to use some elbow grease to get it going. I'm going to use about that much there. So yeah, it takes a little bit of work to emulsify it in the palms of your hands, so you want to make sure it's spread out nice and evenly. It's got a little bit of a scent to it, kind of like a cola scent. That's the best way to describe it. It's not overpowering, you don't really smell it at all after application. So yeah, my hair is blow dried right now. I use a little bit of the Jack Black MP10 oil beforehand as like a pre-styler. I generally recommend that you apply products to dry hair if you want them to perform the way they were intended to. Moisture tends to affect things. So yeah, so as you can see, it sort of leaves my hair nice and tight. It's got a nice matte finish to it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I've been using this product for a while now. I like it. It's definitely one of the ones that I've been going to lately. So if you're looking for something that's going to be nice and matte, good hold but not hard hold, and something that rinses out nicely, this is definitely a contender. Check it out, shopmasc.com, the Uppercut Deluxe Clay, and of course in the store in Vancouver. Thanks for listening.